Ever wondered why there are so many types of motor oil on the shelf? Choosing the right one isn't just about price or brand. It's about performance, protection, and what your engine truly needs. Today, let's break down the four most common types of motor oil and how to know which one is right for your vehicle. Number 1. Conventional oil. Conventional oil is the most basic type, refined from crude petroleum. It's typically used in older engines or vehicles with simple engine designs. It's affordable, but it breaks down faster under high heat and doesn't provide the same level of protection as newer blends. Number 2. Synthetic oil. Synthetic oil is engineered in a lab for precision. It flows better at low temperatures, resists breakdown at high temps, and keeps engines cleaner. Ideal for high-performance or modern engines, synthetic oil often lasts longer and improves fuel efficiency. Number 3. Synthetic blend oil. Synthetic blend, as the name suggests, is a mix of conventional and synthetic oils. It offers better protection than conventional at a lower price than full synthetic. It's a solid middle ground option, especially for trucks and SUVs that tow or haul. Number 4. High mileage oil. Designed for engines with over 75,000 miles, high-mileage oil contains special additives to reduce leaks, minimize wear, and condition seals. If your car's getting up there in age, this might be your best bet. No matter what you drive, always follow the manufacturer's recommendations. The wrong oil can do more harm than good. Quick recap. Conventional for simplicity, synthetic for performance, blends for balance, high mileage for aging engines. Keep your engine happy, and it'll return the favor. Until next time, stay tuned and stay sharp under the hood.